Hey friends, Dr. Grant here, and just want to encourage you to get your reading going for 1st and 2nd Thessalonians that will be starting this next week. So just like we did with Galatians this last week, this next week we're going to read through 1st and 2nd Thessalonians 10 times. You're going to read through it a total of 10 times. And as you read through it, I want you to be taking careful notes about questions that you have, things that you observe or see in the text that you want to maybe discuss in one of the chat forums or at our meeting on Friday. Also want to encourage you to keep on asking the interpretive questions of what is the context, what is Paul talking about, how do these verses connect with one another, how do you follow Paul's logic and his argument. So just be paying careful attention to what you're learning and what you're seeing in the text. Another big thing about 1st and 2nd Thessalonians is eschatology, that is the end times. And so look carefully at Paul there and begin to think about what does Paul say about the return of Jesus? What does Paul say about the Antichrist? What can we as believers expect about the end times? So be reading well and taking careful notes. If there are questions that come up, you can do it on the online chat room, and we'll have our Zoom call this coming Friday as well at around 9 or 9:15 a.m. U.S. time, and I think that's, if I remember correctly, isn't that 7 o'clock your time in Kenya? I can't remember exactly, but Pastor Stephen will be contacting you all about the Zoom link, with the Zoom link to have the discussion. We had a great meeting today with the group to talk about Galatians, and I hope more of you can join this next time. So read through 1st Thessalonians and 2nd Thessalonians 10 times. Also read the corresponding chapters in Acts that are there on the worksheet that you'll have. And let's look at the world through the eyes of Paul in 1st and 2nd Thessalonians. So enjoy your reading. Let me know if you have questions along the way, and I'll be praying for you. Thanks, and God bless.